Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English for 5 minutes. In this reading comprehension series, we will read about Anna Thanksgiving Day story. Feel free to write down the sentences you want to learn and repeat them every day to help you speak English fluently. Ready? Let's get started. Thanksgiving Day is a special day for people in North America. This year, the day will fall on Thursday, November 28, 2024. For this special event, I created Anna Thanksgiving Day story where you can get a glimpse of what people in North America do during the day. Now, let's read the story. It is Thanksgiving Day. Anna is excited. She's going to Grandma's house. Her family is going there every year for Thanksgiving. Anna and her family bring a big turkey. Grandma cooks it in the oven. The kitchen smells good. Anna's mom makes mashed potatoes and her dad makes a pie. Anna helps by setting the table. Soon it is time to eat. Everyone sits at the table. They are thankful for their family and food. Anna says, I'm thankful for my family. Everyone smiles. After dinner, they talk and laugh in the living room. It is a happy Thanksgiving. You have heard the story of Anna Thanksgiving Day. I hope you like it. As a bonus, I give you a list of vocabulary words related to Thanksgiving on the next screen. Here is a list of vocabulary words related to Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving, a holiday for giving thanks, usually celebrated with a big meal with family. Turkey, a big bird cooked for Thanksgiving. Family, people in your home like mom, dad, and siblings. Thankful, feeling happy for something or someone. Pie, a dessert with a crust. Mashed potatoes, boiled potatoes that were mashed with a special tool and added with milk to make it soft and creamy. Okay everyone, this is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for learning with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, bye now.